Welcome to MarineMax Nisswa, where today we have a 2013 Premier 250 Alante for sale. This two-tube pontoon is powered by a Suzuki 70-horse four-stroke outboard motor, and this is a fishing edition. So we have this angler seat in the back that you can adjust up and down, and then we have two mounts in the deck here in the back. So you can decide whether you want to take it out completely and have a full casting deck, or use it on the port side or the starboard side, whatever you prefer. This is seagrass back here, so if you get some fish or water up here, it'll dry off really quick and it won't stay. The rest of the boat has a beautiful tan carpet interior with tan and caribou accents. These are flex steel furniture, so it's really comfortable, and you have a changing booth in the front. This is a nice versatile cruise and fish model. The co-captain even has a reclining chair, giving a little bit more added comfort, and we have a cockpit table for snacks opposite of a trash bin. And this has a nice, easy to access door here, so you can throw your stuff away without asking anybody to get up out of their seat. We have fishing rod holders, of course, and this boat is rated for up to 13 people. We have the Humminbird GPS 385 CI fish finder at the helm, so you can find your navigation and your fish both on that screen right there. This has the Jensen audio system. It's Bluetooth, so you can hook your phone up to it seamlessly. There's speakers from the front to the aft of the boat, giving you great sound. And adding to the convenience is the sink right here at the helm, where you can wash your hands off after a day of fishing and then relax up here in the bow with this spacious seating. There is a filler cushion you can remove when you want more leg room, or add it when you have more passengers on board. We also have a large live well here in the bow and another one on the port side aft. This also has a bait bucket built in, so you've got 2-in-1 functionality here in the back. This boat comes with the Bimini sunshade, the boat cover, and free storage for the 2025 to 2026 storage season. It's located here at MarineMax in Nisswa, Minnesota. We can't wait to meet you and your family and get you ready for boating season 2026.